Dear student, today we are discussing one 11th level chapter, and the chapter name is Trigonometric Functions, and this is a important chapter for the board exam as well as the any competitive exams. And this chapter we are discussing from the Ncert book for the class of 11. First question is, find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. And first question 1 is 25 degree convert in radian. In the solution section we know that 180 degree is equal to pi radian, that is a pi c. Then 1 degree will be pi by 180. Now 25 degree means pi by 180 multiplied with 25. If we divide, this is a 5 and 5, then divide with 5, this is a 36. So 5 pi by 36. So 25 degree is equal to 5 pi by 36. This is a radian. That is pi by 180 is a unit for convert the angle from degree to radian. Okay, so this is the complete of first. Now we move to the next part. Now the second question, minus 47 degree 30 minute. So minus, calculating of this, we get the result 1 by 2. Now multiplying, we get 95. So minus 95 degree by 2. This is the degree. Now convert of this in radian. So multiply with this one, 36, 19. So this will be minus 19 pi divided by 72. So this is the complete of second. Now I move to the third. Third is 240 degree convert in radian. Similarly 180 degree is equal to pi radian, then 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. This is the unit. Directly you can multiply this to convert in radian. So pi by 180 multiply with this, then 4, 3. So 4 pi by 3 radians. This is the complete of third. Now we move to the fourth. .520 degree convert in radians. So directly we can multiply with pi by 180 to find in radians. Now this is vanish, this is 26 and this is 9. So 26 pi by 9 is a radian for the angle of 520 degree. This is complete of all one. Now we move to the 2. Question number 2 says that use pi as an 22 by 7 and find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measures. First question is 11 by 16. Then convert it in degree, minute and second. We know that pi is equal to 180 degree. Then 1 is equal to this. This is the unit. You can direct multiply with this to find from radian to degree. Now here 11 by 16 is there. Then 11 by 16 multiply with this. Now calculating we get, and we know that pi is equal to 22/7, then we use it, and this is the given, and this is all the degree, and now this one vanish, this is the 90, and this is the 45, and 8 is there. So the remaining part is 45 multiplied with 7 divided by 8 degree. After calculating, we get 39 degree 22 minute and 30 second. This is the complete of first. Now we move to the second of 2. Now second question is -4. So use it -4. So this will be 180 degree divided by 22/7, and this is the -4. Now calculating, we get this is 11, and this is the -2. So we get 180 multiplied with 7 multiplied with -2 divided by 11. After calculating, we get -229 degree 5 minute 27 second. So this is the complete of second. Now we move to the third. Question number third is 5 pi by 3. Now use it here, 5 pi by 3, then 180 divided by pi multiplied with 5 pi by 3, pi vanish, and this is the degree. So 300 degree. This is the complete of third. Now we move to the fourth. Now fourth question is 7 pi by 6. Convert it in degree. Now using this as a unit, so 180 degree divided by pi multiplied with 7, pi by 6, pi is vanish, and this is the 30 degree. So 210 degree is a value for 7 pi by 6. So this is the complete of fourth. This is the complete of 2. Now we move to the third. Third question. A wheel make 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turns in 1 second? Now in 1 minute is equal to 360 revolutions. So 1 second will be 360 divided by 60, that is the 6 revolutions. So 1 second is 6 revolutions, and we know that 1 revolution is 2 pi radian. So 6 revolution is equal to 2 pi multiplied with 6, that is a 12 pi. So 1 second revolution is 12 pi. So this is the complete of third. Now we move to the fourth. Fourth question. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 cm by the arc length 22 cm, and using pi as a 22/7. And now we know that S is equal to r theta. Here S is equal to given 22 centimeter and r is equal to 100 centimeter, and theta will be find out. Now theta is equal to s by r, so s is equal to this. Now if we multiply with and divided with 7, then we get this, and we know that 22 by 7 is equal to pi, so put it pi, so 7 pi by 100 is the answer. And if we want to bring in degree, then we get this. Now 7 multiplied with 18 divided by 10, this is a degree. So after calculating, we get the result 12 degree 36 minute. So this is the complete of fourth. Now we move to the fifth. Question number 5 say that in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of the chord is 20. Find the length of the minor arc. Now in question number 5, draw a circle of diameter 40 and the chord is 20. Now this is the radius and this is the radius, and this is the 20, this is the 20, and the chord is 20. So this will be 60 degree, that is a pi by 3. Now the question is to find this chord, and we know that s is equal to r theta. So s will be find out, and r is equal to 20 and theta is equal to pi by 3. Put it, then we get 20 pi by 3 for the length of this chord. This chord to be find out, and the chord length of the chord is this one. So this is the complete of fifth. Now we move to the sixth. The question 6, if the two circle are same length, subtend angle 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, and the ratio of their radius. So in sixth question, we know that s is equal to r theta. Now for the first, s is equal to this one, and this is the s2 is equal to r2 theta 2. By the given conditions, r1 theta 1 is equal to r2 theta 2, because s1 and s2 are the same. Now we want to find out r1 by r2, so this will be theta 2 by theta 1, and now the theta 2 means 75 degree. Then if we multiply with pi by 180, then we get the radian, and this is also 60 degree, so 60 multiplied with pi by 180, so this is the radians. Now calculating, we get this, then this. After simplifying, we get this. So ratio of r1 is to r2 will be 5:4. So this is the complete of 6. Dear student, subscribe the channel for more information about the Ncert solution in Sumangal sir YouTube channels. So this is the complete of 6. Now we move to the last and the final discussion of the day. Question number 7 is the final discussion of the day. Find the angle of radian through which the pendulum swings its length 75 centimeter and in trips describes an arc is this one. So we use the formula s is equal to r theta. For the first, r is equal to 75 and s is equal to 10. Then theta for the first question will be 10 by 75, that is 2 by 15. So 2 by 15 radian for the first question. This is the complete of first. Now we move to the second. R is equal to 75 and S is equal to 15. So theta will be 15 by 75, so 1 by 5 is there. So this is the complete of second. Now we move to the final discussion of the day. For the third, r is equal to 75 and s is equal to 21. So theta will be 21 divided by 75, then 7 and 25. So 7 by 25 is the angle for the question number third. So this is the complete of today's discussions. Hope today's discussions enrich your knowledge about this chapter and help you to understand this chapter when you practicing for the board exam as well as any kind of competitive exam.